I almost did that one time with somebody. I'm like, smell this. They're like, what, is that almond? They're like, yeah, I'm allergic. Sorry.
No. Jesse Hubbard, you're back with Punk Rock and Cocktails Volume 2. Congratulations, my friend.
Thanks, buddy.
The concept, again, for those that aren't aware.
Yeah, it's 20 of my favorite albums. I really just wanted to kind of share some personal stories and some fun memories that I have about those albums and those bands, maybe seeing them live, and then create an original cocktail for each one of those artists as a tribute to them.
Perhaps no one has been more into this project than the Englishman Frank Turner. I'm going to turn to his page.
Not only was he into it, you know, he wanted to know like what the drink was going to be. This is for Volume 1. He's the only artist, by the way, that's in Volume 1 and Volume 2. Because he was so supportive of it, and I wanted to thank him. I think the coolest thing is he sent me a personal message to say, I just want you to know this book is in my kitchen, and when people come over, I bring it out and I show them this book. And everybody loves it. And I thought that was the sweetest thing. Not only all of that, but his album that he came out with last year, Frank Turner Hardcore, I thought was beautiful.
So his is Makings of a Champion in Volume 2.
It is, yeah.
Do you have this memorized? Do I put it away?
You can put it away, yes. You can put it away. This is a riff on an old fashioned, so this is not a completely original cocktail. He's carrying on the tradition of so many of his influences, you know, Billy Bragg and Woody Guthrie, and more recently Bob Dylan and Bruce Springsteen.
Sure.
And so I wanted to take something that existed and kind of tilt it a little bit to the side, you know, and give it a new direction like he has done with his music, and that's kind of the inspiration for that. So we're doing something fun here. This is a rum blend, what it's called an infinity bottle, a collection of different rums that I've had over the last couple years. When the bottle gets a little close to the end, you put it in, you marry them all, and it's aged white rum, all kinds of different rums in here together. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of that.
You don't have to measure? Are there lines on that?
There are no lines, Brian.
Wow.
I'm free pouring here.
So what's that?
A dark brown sugar syrup that I made.
And you made that too?
I made that too.
How do you make that?
1.5 to 1 ratio of the dark brown sugar to like boiling water, simmer it, and bring it down to like a little syrupy consistency on the stove. Cool it. Piece of cake. And this is something a little different. A blend of toasted almond bitters and some spiced orange bitters as well. I thought to make it a little bit different for this experience.
I love almonds.
Yeah, smell it.
Yeah.
I love it.
That's a wonderful aroma.
I'm glad you said that and you weren't allergic.
I think I'm okay.
I almost did that one time with somebody. I'm like, smell this. They're like, what, is that almond? They're like, yeah, I'm allergic. Sorry.
No.
Okay, we're gonna ice it down.
Brought his own ice. Is this artisanal ice?
This is crushed ice. It's not necessarily artisanal. I like inconsistently random shaped rocks.
It's not uniform.
Yeah.
I think that makes it more attractive and more handmade. What do you call that thing?
Just like a bar spoon.
You need to give it a fancy name. Call it the Frank Turner.
Okay.
Why don't we just dump the ice that's in here in there with more ice?
It will be too diluted and watered down and already start the melting process. So you want like kind of the fresh ice to pour over top of it.
Gotcha. Garnished with a little orange.
There we go, makings of a champion.
Well, listen, I have to go back and be on the air more, so I'm going to be very disciplined. I'm just going to smell it.
All right.
Because at olfactory, I mean, this sense of smell is everything.
It's part of it. That's why I wanted you to smell the almond as well.
It smells delicious, Grayson. I did not touch my nose on that. That's for you.
Thank you. All right.
Thumbs up.
Oh, that's delightful.
It's the right answer on camera.
Jesse Hubbard.
Yeah, there you go.
Author of Punk Rock and Cocktails Volume 2, 40 recipes in all. You can have a lot of fun with your friends with this. Where do they go?
StRussellProductions.com, the one stop for all my projects.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, buddy.